Hi, my name is Jay Hait. I'm a family law attorney with offices throughout Israel. And one of the questions that people ask me a lot of times is, hey, Mr. Hait, we made this divorce agreement a couple of years ago and it's not working for us. So we want to cancel it, or we want to change it, or we want to reopen it. And they come to me and say, well, can we? So first of all, I always tell them that, look, it's very hard to do. But if you want to do it, there are really 4 reasons that you're going to be able to change a divorce agreement. The first one is a mistake. Okay, i.e. now according to contract, right? So the first one is mistake, and it's one of the parties, i.e. the party who wants to make the change, didn't understand or know something, and the other side knew or should have known about it, then they might have a chance to do it. And the same thing, if they out and out, if there's a mistake, i.e. person deceived them, okay, i.e. husband and wife get divorced, husband says, yeah, we have $500,000 in the bank account, and it turns out that really there were $2 million. That's deception. Well, then, yeah, that's going to be another case where you should be able to do it. But in that case, it's really important that in your divorce agreement, you had listed all the assets. By the way, this is why one of the things I always tell people to do is put on exhibits listing all of the assets that are getting distributed when you get divorced. Another case is when someone's forced to make an agreement, right? In other words, if someone is forced, then obviously that can be canceled. Now, it's really important to understand that in all of these situations, the burden of proof, i.e. the person who has to prove what they're claiming, is the person who wants to make the change to the agreement, okay? So if you want to change the agreement, you have burden of proof. I've given you the basic scenarios you can do it. And it's really important to understand that this does not apply, okay, to issues of support and custody. In other words, in issues of support and custody, they're more dynamic. So, if there is a significant change in circumstances, then you can petition the court to change the agreement, i.e. if someone was making 40,000 shekels a month as a surgeon and he got into a car accident and lost his hand and can no longer be a surgeon, well, then there's a good chance that he's going to be able to change the amount of child support. Same thing with, well, all of a sudden he has plenty of time on his hands and he now wants to be with the children more. There's a chance that they'll allow that to be changed as well. Okay, so again, my name is Jay Hait. I'm a family law attorney with offices throughout Israel, and these are just some of the circumstances, the limited circumstances where you're going to be able to change your divorce agreement or to get it canceled. Thank you and have a great day.